What's up everyone, it's your girl Deja and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be reviewing Juno Skin's Clean 10 Cleansing Balm. And I'm so excited to review this because I have seen this product on TikTok and what I saw was that it just helps melt off all of your makeup. And I don't know about you guys, but I definitely need that because my other makeup remover products, they won't get my mascara off completely. Like I will have to wash it. So I'm hoping that this product will definitely take care of that. If you guys want to see how it works, make sure that you guys stay tuned to the video and make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So the first thing I want to talk about are the ingredients that are in here. It is an antioxidant, so it will help protect your skin. It will also help reduce pigmentation, fine lines, and wrinkles. So I'm definitely excited about that because I definitely do get some dark marks when I break out. And it also only has 10 ingredients. So you definitely can see what all is in here and what you are putting onto your skin. Now I want to show you guys what it looks like. This is what the packaging looks like. It is very clean and sleek. And when you open it up, it does have a little applicator in here, which is super helpful. And I have actually used the product, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. As you can see, it is an oil-based product, so that's why it gives you an applicator. And once you use it, it just basically melts into your hand, and then you can put it on your skin. And you guys, the smell is very refreshing, and it almost gives me like a lemon scent. So I definitely do love the smell of the product, and it does come with a good amount. Also, the box that it comes in gives you more information. So this is what the box looks like, and it just has information all around it. So it says that we have 10 ingredients only. It is 100% clean. It has vitamin E. It also gives you directions on how to apply, and it is just 3 simple steps. So now we're going to get into how I use the product and how it works. So the first thing I did was just, of course, open up the balm, and I was just looking at the consistency of it. I can definitely see like some of it starting to melt a little bit. So I feel like it is important to like keep it in the area where it's not super hot so it just doesn't melt. But I can see that it was very like oil based, and of course, like I said before, the smell, like just when I opened it, I was like, this smells super good. Then I just took the applicator and I just got some of the product out. I got a decent amount out. I didn't know like how much I wanted to use yet, so I tried not to get too much, but enough at the same time. And then after that, I just put it on my fingertips and rubbed it in just to make it more of that oil consistency. After I did that, I started to massage it into my skin, and I followed the directions when it said massage balm into skin with gentle upward and outward circular motions. I tried to follow that because I feel like it is definitely important to follow the directions. And when I was using it, you guys, like I could definitely see all of it just melting off. And I wanted to like face the window. That's why I'm not in my bathroom, because I wanted you guys to actually see how the product was working. I can definitely see the makeup just coming off of my face, and it was really working. It is also very important that when you are massaging it, you are doing it for at least 60 seconds to make sure that you are getting it all off. And when I started to get to my eye area, I definitely like noticed it coming off. Like even though I couldn't see it, I just felt it, all the mascara just coming off. I did decide to get a cotton pad because I wanted to wipe off the eye area before I wash it off with water. So I decided to do that, and the cotton pad was definitely filled with mascara, so that's how I know that it got off. I just made sure to like really work it in into my eyelashes and my whole face. After I massaged all of the oil in, I went to my bathroom to wash it off with water. You could get a spray bottle and just spray your skin. I decided just to wash it off, and when I was washing it off, I can definitely like see the makeup coming off and my skin just feeling cleaner and cleaner as I went. So after I washed it off, my skin, it definitely felt very clean and soft, like an emphasis on the clean, because usually when I use something that's supposed to remove makeup, my mascara is still always there. I still have makeup on my skin, so I have to like keep doing it. And sometimes like I will use a spin brush to like get all of it off. But honestly, I noticed that with this product, that pretty much all of my makeup came off just with that. Not using like a cleanser or anything. Like when I just used this product, all of my makeup pretty much just came off. So I was very impressed with that. And my skin, honestly, it was just glowing. It was feeling good and clean. Like my skin never really feels that clean when I use other makeup remover products, but this one, it actually felt good on my skin. I also want to point out that I really love the oil-based product because I've used makeup wipes before, I used micellar water before, and to me, this product is the best out of the three because makeup wipes, your skin, like it will feel very stripped. It is not the best thing to use. And in terms of the micellar water, I will still have mascara on. Like no matter like how long I was going, there will still be mascara on. So honestly, this oil-based product by Juno Skin, it definitely got all of my makeup off. So I was super excited about that. After I used the cleansing balm, I decided to go in with their clarifying cleansing powder, and I was definitely super excited to use this because I never used like a powder-based product to clean my skin. I used it before like for a face mask, but not to clean my skin. So I was super excited to use it. So for the directions, all you had to do was shake before use and dispense half a teaspoon into wet hands and rub until a light creamy foam is created, and then gently massage it into your skin. So when I poured the powder onto my hands, I did make sure that it was wet. I did have to go back to my bathroom to add like a little bit more water into it just to make sure that it was the right consistency. And then I used it on my skin. And again, I was in front of my window because I wanted to make sure that you guys could see the product and how it's working. So I just massaged it into my skin. And then after that, I went to my bathroom and got some water just to rinse it off. When I was rinsing off the product, it definitely felt very relaxing and smooth. It didn't feel harsh. Like it felt very like smooth into my skin. So don't think that like because it's a powder starting it off, like oh it's gonna be weird. But like once you mix it with the water, it definitely works like how a normal cleanser will work. And after I did that, I just patted my face dry. So using that product, I definitely enjoyed it. Like using the two together, my skin felt very, very clean. Like super duper clean, squeaky clean. Like my face has never felt so clean like after having makeup on, because honestly that's why sometimes I don't like wearing makeup, because the takeoff process can be a lot, and even when you take it off, all of it may not come off, and that could lead to a breakout. So I really enjoyed using both of these products because I felt like my skin was completely clean and that I wasn't going to get a breakout from makeup that was still in my skin. So in terms of how I like the product overall the product was great, and I would definitely recommend that you should try it out. The product will be in the description box below so that you can check out the cleansing balm. I will also link the cleanser as well because I did really like that one too. So make sure that you guys check that out. But my overall impressions is that my skin felt very clean. Afterwards, my skin was not irritated, which is very important because I do have sensitive skin, so I can't just use like every product on my skin. So even when it comes to just removing my makeup, it is very important that I find something that works for me, but also doesn't irritate my skin. And this balm definitely did that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!